Today we're going to be testing out the Farm Deer. It's red on one side and green on the other. We will be doing a road test, off-road test, and a recovery test. We have Carlisle 33 by 9.5 tractor treads, 14 inches of spacers to get these wheels mounted up, and about 6 inches of ground clearance. Down and back. No doubt. No doubt at all. The camera might be shaking a crap ton. I don't know how much it'll stabilize, but this thing rides phenomenal. Get in, loser! This is so smooth. Legit. This is the smoothest you'll probably ever feel. This is smoother than normal.
It's smoother than Silver CR-V.
That's 40, according to the car. Isn't that crazy? We're just gonna come hauling ass and see if it'll make it through stuff like this. And then if it does, we'll turn around, we'll do it again. Then after the third try, I mean, it looks like it wants to go in the woods. Do I have any problems in this?
Yeah, it's sinking pretty bad. It's doing well.
Dude, off-road cases, I was just like babying it that time.
I thought it was going to
Feathering it the whole time. It literally just like,
Alright.
blah, 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 blah. I thought about it. You think I can go under that tree?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Your wing may hit, but
We don't need it.
you definitely drug here.
Oh yeah, that's why I kept moving. I was hoping to get somewhere that I could like be on solid ground. Why didn't you tell me there was a log here?
I didn't know there was a log there. spinning quick.
Oh no. From Ohio. Not Texas. What the hell? Dude, it's raining in here. Ah!
Hook the CRV up to it.
No. We're going to get it forward 10 feet, and then I'll just back it up.
Okay.
Look, all that mud.
Call him out.
B. Mizzler 69 sold me a piece.
Attempts number 657.
Should we use the CRV?
Your exhaust! Your muffler!
Only reason I stopped is because I saw the GoPro. I can't be. Close my door first.
Want me to go all the way, like to the end?
You just take it till we're out of the woods.
Okay.
The excitement right now, I don't want to like speak too soon on it. We haven't broken anything. The CRV, somehow golden. This, golden. Axles, golden. It's overheating, but I don't have a radiator fan. I think we all knew that was coming. Transmission, golden. We should paint it gold
Golden.
because it's golden.
Golden.
Gonna try and be compliant with both the car washes and the police. They don't like it when I track mud. Dude, I did break my splitter.
Did
My
you?
third brake light's got a fucking wreck in it.